Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant error code ban 152. So the first and the easiest thing what you can do here is to completely close Valorant, Riot Game and other basically programs related to that, and then relaunch it again, and sometimes it fixes the problem. So go on Task Manager, find Riot Games and Valorant, and if there is basically task on Task Manager, just close them. On the system tray as well here, if there is Vanguard or Riot Client, just close them and then re-enter again, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to check your basically Riot Games server status. So you need to go to riotgames.status.riotgames.com, select Valorant, select your server here or region, and then you need to look if there is some issues on their end. And if there is some issues, you just need to wait until it will be fixed. And if it's not, then you can proceed to the next steps. And the third step that you can do here is to basically check your internet connection. So go ahead and use speed test, for example, and you need to look if you have good internet speed and consistent connection, and if you do, you're good to go. And if you don't, try to limit some devices or maybe restart your router. And after that, then another thing that you can do here is to basically delete and install Riot's anti-cheat app, which is Riot Vanguard. And to do so, you just need to, again, be sure that Vanguard is now running here. Then you need to go to installed apps. Then here on installed apps, you need to look for Vanguard and press and install. And after you install, to get back, what you need to do here is to launch Riot Client, try to run the game, and you will see not the play button but update button, and it will automatically install Riot Vanguard, and after that you can play the game, and the issue will be fixed if the issue is with basically Vanguard anti-cheat program, right? And another thing that you can do here, if the problem persists, if you're using VPN, try to disable it, right? So sometimes VPN, it can cause the problem, so go to VPN settings, and if here your VPN is connected, try to disconnect and then try again. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to flush your DNS cache. And to do so, you just need to open up command prompt or cmd as a administrator, and then here you need to write IP config/flush DNS. And after that, then you need to write nesh winsock reset, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you can go to your internet settings, go ahead and go to the system tray that is on the bottom right corner, right click on your network and internet settings, and then go to advanced network settings, and you can reset your network. But keep in mind that if you're using, for example, Wi-Fi, as you can see here, your adapters factory, your network adapters will be reset to factory settings. This means you need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password. So if you don't know your password, then don't do this. But for example, if you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do nothing. So just reset now and then restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And the last thing that you can do here is to change your, if the problem persists, you can change your DNS server addresses. And to do so, you just need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, more network adapter options, and then you need to go to your Ethernet here or the Wi-Fi that you're using, then go to properties, and make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, and then you need to go to Internet Protocol version 4. Select this one, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you just need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, and you need to look if the problem is fixed or not. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.